ও বুড়ি, ওই যে বোস্টামটা কি বলে গেল যে প্রবীর নাকি গোসাই দেখে মারা গেছে নাকি দেহ রেখেছে বললো? ওই রাখলো ওই যে গোসাই মানে কোথায় পাণ্ডুগ্রামে না কোন গোসাই কি জানে। প্রণব, ওই যে ওই যে বাউলটা কি বলে গেল এই যে প্রবীর গোসাই, হ্যাঁ প্রবীর নাকি বললো, দেহ রেখেছে বললো, দেহ রেখেছে না রাখালো, দেহ রাখা করিয়েছে। হ্যাঁ, it has been so that has been today they have reached with setup. It is so terrific, so tense condition. The birds are so squeezing, disturbing, and so glazy. Sun is glancing us, so bright, terrific condition, warming with hard, dry hardness, inner, suffocating. So many लोगों को where they may ask what is difficult, but if you see the disturb of the birds has becoming disturbed. Oh बुढ़ो, ए बुढ़ो, वो कोई रे? This only left. He's so terrific, tense, depressed. My Einstein is most intelligent. He was and he lost all his. वो नेफ्यू की टेंस, उनका सिस्टर का 4 जो केयरटेकर थे, own brother 4, 5, nobody is coming to my hermitage. All are afraid of fear of lose life and terrific condition. So tense, fearful, horrible, fierce looking, did you see underneath? It is so, birds are to alerting me, crows are to alerting me, so bright, so intense, so tense. The crows, birds, in such a stress condition to inform us, particularly me. It is becoming horrible situation on this India surface. It is although it is be same in ways when they are facing their particular the vortex cloud gathering or life and gravity compacting thickening system, that magnetic field gathering compacting twisting system. Why is that Bhattacharya is a Senate committee scientist. These criminals, NASA and others, so many who are in the Indian-born USA peoples had made so horrible. Then people that blaming some trees are getting fruiting and a fool and other not. And when people that seeing this fruition is come to phases, that they are creating that aberration in mind also tree. They are unable to calculate that what season is going and what time and seasons winter to persist and when winter has started. And this all program of God made kept information and the percept of the trees also become change, animals become vagabond, dull looking, tired, and faculties are so weakened, they are unable to think about this 1 or 2, 3 years ago's intelligence, mental processing power. Total abnormality. It is so tense and bright sunray, scorching, piercing, glancing as if he is grasping and gulping us. Or suddenly this temperature will be reduced, that will be dim type, dull, sunless, no effect on this. Or that suddenly they have to bring this storms, breeze, winds, etc. Horrible situation in India. Terrific, fearful, dreadful, lethal. And that as the government people of USA is unreliable, integrity so less, faculties are so weak and all are captured by the culprits of the Secretary of State of the top US-like countries. You people, you see this fruition of these peoples are this pay that trees have become different types. So this some trees has got very beautiful mango, seasonal, the tropical flowers has beautiful, but others are so casual. 1 or 2 is coming. The last 2-3 years, as that climate seasons becoming so uncertain, certain warm, sometimes warming, sometimes so terrific cool, So there is, so it is spring has come or not. So that is a confusion also, a lot in the plants also. What is the animals? What can do human? There is a so fickle mind and condition-based their mind state. From underneath, so many misleading voices, mute voices coming, invisible figures, floating, coming, running, moving, dancing in cruel manner, spirits looking with weird faces, taking of disguise, lot of disturbing, turmoiling up and down, and twisting, compelling, discomfort, captive. It is so horrible, so horrible, so horrible, so terrific, 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 purple, deathless, tense, threatened. At life certain, expectancy is becoming so, that Prabir Goswamika father will be probably young, it's maybe below 70. And his uncle is still surviving. It may be 10, 12 years, is it? But I do not know how this, and his friends, all my brothers, elder brothers has gone 60, 65, quite strong, normal, healthy. They have killed abnormally. So देहो छोड़ा नहीं, देहो छोड़ना compel कर रहा है. And this idiot of IIT Kharagpur is not a hopeless culprit, criminals. IIT has become so culprit, criminal, imposters, full of imposters. And their integrity is that criminals, that IIT Kharagpur and government of India. Kharagpur and this government of India. The department, you see this, they are floating, keeping this cloud on their sky. They are remaining and denying, defying me and asking their faith, because that culprit is only administrator, regulation, supervising, leadership. And honest has been suppressed. Their mouthpiece has been reduced. They are being harassed officially, being clubbing, grouping. So there all reports becoming, complaints is becoming. These departments, peoples or scientists, what they do, so the peoples are becoming very criminals. एयरोस्पेस क्या वो जिसको ज़्यादा मेरे को बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, they are probably involved in coronavirus development. They are fake virus vaccines, they are criminals. And geology and this particular division, geology scientists or an oceanography are very criminals. And this particular department, science of this, as if their lookings are becoming very criminals. I have to complain these papers, and you have to dare that I am blaming. When I am blaming with video through YouTube, it is a legal warning, and it is assigning that you have to face life threatening. And I am to give also this Indian Supreme Court, and that Indian Supreme Court Indian Supreme Courts. That some Indian Supreme Court people of present times, all the liars, and their integrity is so less. This history, I do not know this history, whatever may be the history, but these criminals, it's not reliable, and this people is not caliber, and their capacity, integrity, sincerity, so doubtful. So I have message giving you, I have given message through your Solicitor General. इसको जो भी आप लोग लोगो लगा रखा है, it is totally vague and criminal purpose. This message being conveyed to you through this video. If this video has been hindered today, there are a lot of pages there. I to able this video, then Indian government, GOI India, PMO. Prime Minister of India. It is the impostor, stupid, criminal. He is a big criminal and so impostor. This is office peoples. This man is shaitan, culprit, criminals. First is a foolish It's a dull. It is mentally dull, but it's a shrewd. It is so imposter. Now if we would the department, that photo will not come, image will not come. And that is a class president, and this parliament is also class, and this that I am giving the message all you, the parliament peoples, and this governments, and this advisory system of whatever judicial, whatever thing, by this video. And if it is video today, it is time, it is being recorded. I am speaking 11:05 a.m. on his sudden death of some young, still young, where life expectancy is to have maybe Ram Gosai or Prabir Gosai guy is indicating that Ram Gosai am not, because I have gone away from this place. He is my good friend. He was senior maybe 7-8 years. So my is 60 years, maybe near about 70. So I was talking about his health 3 days ago, that Bolai Mandal, his brain has been killed abnormally at his young age. What he is thinking, because they were taking that Ram Gosai. But they are to come to my this from northeast, where I kept this Almira, when light is doing, and this is Kharagpur side, in this computer southwest, and that is that what I am indicating, that Navadvip, Krishnanagar, Arunachal side. And these people to come on the head of either my brother and his Gosai Para, Goda Parao and Mandal Parao, and to Rai Parao, to badly put their patient on vulgar magis, whose thigh and buttock will be quintals of quintal weight. That criminals in group, so massive created that Sotis group, Hijra IIT, meteorologist, so-called fake, that Manish Singh Harai, Subrata Singh Harai, Bijan, Biddut, criminal witch mistress, Robinson Christopher, Ronald Christopher's nephew, or whatever maybe that criminals, and that Bhudev Sudev Karmakar, Chandan Karmakar, Jaidev, Daidhar, Baidhar, then Danish, Monish Singh Harai, Sudhir, that Sindhu Ghatak, Merin, Deepar, Santosh, Mohitos, etc. culprits, that Jodu, Modhu, Durjoy, Turjoy, Tujit, Dujit, and Dipankar, and this Manatos, Poritos, Sankar, Devasri, or Chudachur, Sankochur, Chudachur, etc. And this Dugal family, Sudangshu, Karmakar, Sudin Karmakar, Amit De, Gita, Renuka, etc., Monika, Konika, Shikha, Idhar Gauri, and that Bidda, Dibba Singh, etc., all these things. Then in this impostor Bhudev, Sudev, etc., then Golok, Gomantok, Ganesh, Gugon, Ganejoy, Anjan, Niladri Samrat, Woodland, Holy Oceanography, and Paddy, Gautam Mukherjee, etc., etc. In this time, short time, cannot take these 6,000 people named. It is very difficult. I have already reported in this YouTube and other Facebook. So this is I to blame badly of the IIT. Kharagpur people, all this what they are to mention about this geology and etc. Fake. These people are criminals, lying or knowing all those things, suppressing the fact that they are not taking any action, and they are asking their certificate from Prime Minister about their integrity and capacity, sincerity about their contributions and dedication towards nation or humanity. It's totally criminal people. So on this date, I am putting this remark for the safety of the whole world peoples. At these peoples being vulnerable whole world at this, even Indian born culprits and at their home in India, and who are visiting as a visiting professor USA. This culprit criminals are to know have already reliable. This is a whole horrible, terrific criminal terror creator, terrorist scientist.